Hi all. Today I can't be with you because I'm on a course today, but we're going to be doing a couple of activities on Scratch today, and when I'm actually properly back, we'll be looking at more sciencey aspect and making our bath bombs and looking at a couple of other things as well. I know I said we do it a few weeks ago, but obviously we've been waiting for a few things, but also other projects have come up as well. So I'm going to obviously we've got both groups together, so only having the one session today. So obviously I want you all go to Code Club. So the link is codeclubprojects.org. That is codeclubprojects.org, and then from there you go into Scratch. There's two different projects I want you to do. If one's easier and one's harder. The easier one is something called synchronized swimming, where you're looking at the clone feature, and it duplicates that character multiple times and you can program it to do different actions, different colours and different sequences, a bit like an actual synchronized swimming team but in a pool. It's just actually on Scratch, and also if you get through some of it you can edit it as well. I know we've done this before for the but we can have another go at that if you want to do. And there's another one, a harder challenging one. I've picked out 3 for you, and they're on the Scratch section of Code Club projects. That's either Clone Wars, Create Your Own World, or Binary Hero. So Clone Wars is kind of a bit like Star Wars game. Create Your Own World is kind of Planet Earth and a couple of the sprites interacting with each other, and it's more of an interactive game. I'm assuming you also use variables in there. And the last one, Binary Hero, is actually programming it, so it's a bit like a guitar. So when you press the different keys, it does different sounds. Okay, so it's up to you which one you want. But obviously, if you're just new to the club and you are finding the harder ones a bit of a challenge, go for the easier one first. See how you got on. Read the instructions carefully of each step, making sure it does make sense and you have put the correct code in as well, because I know the colours are slightly different on these instructions, because obviously we haven't updated yet because it's 2.0 and now it's 3.0, so there's slight differences, but you just have to look on the left hand side and see what colours what matches up. I'm sure you'll be able to all find them all. Okay, try to get all your project done today. If you get your project done, an extension for you guys, if you get that project done, see if you can actually extend on that, see if you can add additional code, additional features, and see what else you can come up with, add into that existing project. So for example, synchronized swimming, you might add more characters. What would they do? For the Binary Hero, you might add more sounds and more code. It just depends what you want to do, but it just depends how much you get done. Okay, just to recap, for the easier project is the synchronized swimming one, but you can actually do the challenges within there as well, because I know we haven't done them before. And then obviously the harder ones, Clone Wars, Create Your Own World, or Binary Hero. Binary Hero probably will be the most challenging, but I'm sure you'll be able to do that. Okay, see if you can get all of it done. Share it as well, so then I can see it. If you share it and ask Alex, he's got like a page for code breakers where people can share their projects. So ask him if you want to be added to that. Okay, but yeah, hopefully you get all that done. Okay, just remember, if you are stuck, read through the instructions. Okay, just making sure that you put it step by step. Obviously making sure if it says a particular sprite, make sure that code goes in there, or if it says you need to put code in the stage, click on the background section on your right hand side. Okay, because that has come up quite a bit and people are like, how do I do this, how do I do that? So just make sure you look at it clearly, take your time, okay, but make sure you're doing step by step and actually focus on, and when you've done that you can obviously play around with it and try different things. Okay, see you next week hopefully, and show me what you've done from for next week. Okay, see you soon. Take care.